Welcome back to the channel once again, people. Instagram Reels have been in trend ever since they have been launched. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips which can help your Reel go viral. Let's begin. Now, the point number one over here is when you are posting your Reel, you will need the right hashtags to get to the right audience. Instagram recommends some of the hashtags which is good to make your video probably go viral, and some of them are Reel, Instagram Reels, then Reels, Feel It, Reel It, Feel Karo, Reel Karo. Use these hashtags in your video and do let me know in the comment box if it works for you. Point number two. When you're posting a reel, you can use 30 hashtags because you never know which hashtag will get you the reach and make your reel viral. It's always good to use the hashtag which is having a reach of minimum 100k and under 1 million. If you're going to use a hashtag which has a reach above 1 million, there are high chances that it may not trend because there is so much of competition out there. So always use the hashtag range between 100k and above and below 1 million. Point number three, share your reels on your stories, because if you do that, it kind of tricks the Instagram algorithm and you get extra views out of that. Those views are counted separately. Now, I do not have a very strong backing on this. Many of my friends have said it has helped them. So anything that helps your reel go viral, why not? I have an extra bonus tip on this towards the end of the video, so keep watching. Point number four, whenever you add a reel to your profile, what happens is it also gets added to your feed. It also shows in your reel section and in your feed. What you can do is after 6 to 7 hours probably, you can remove your reel from your main feed and just let it be in the reel. This kind of confuses the Instagram algorithm and this may get your reel to perform even much better. It's just a small hack. Do let me know if it works for you in the comment box below. Point number five, make your reels look wow. The first 3 seconds are the most important duration of your reel. If you manage to get your audience attention and grip them beyond 3 seconds, you have definitely made your reel go viral. This is what many of the people say. So make your content that way that grips your audience. Point number six. Now, most of the people who see reels, they learn something out of it. So what I do is I use the behind the scene footage first where I'm shooting something and my cameraman follows, because that creates some kind of mystery, suspense and interest in your audience because they're seeing what exactly are you shooting. And later on edit, I put up the final images which I shot. That creates a fantastic gripping effect on my audience because they've seen the video because they wanted to see what exactly is happening and they've seen it towards the end of the video, and if they learn something from it, I'm sure your reel is going to amplify its reach. Point number seven, it's always good to add some captions to your reel because sometimes people are traveling, they are in bus, they are in train, they will not be able to hear it and they may not be having the headset. That will help people at least see what is going on and they can read the caption, like what we call is the subtitles. Point number eight, now the duration of the reel can be up to 15 seconds, but however it is not necessary that you use the entire 15 seconds. The idea is to engage the people or your audience in the very first 2 to 3 seconds and end it on a bang. Make people replay your reel again and have that wow factor to make your reel go viral. Oh yes, the bonus tip. Now, as I said that you should put your reels on your stories, you also tell your friends to do that for you. Now suppose if you put your reel at say 1 p.m. in the afternoon, tell 5 of your friends to put it on a gap of 5 minutes each, like 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, and do not DM them on Instagram telling them to do so. You can use a call or a WhatsApp. What this does, it kind of again confuses the Instagram algorithm and it realizes that so many people are putting it up on the story. That means this reel really has something awesome. Try this trick and let me know it works for you, and if you do go viral, I need a party from you. I really hope that these tips that I've given you help you make your video or your reel go viral. In the next video, I'm going to talk how you can shoot some really interesting reel with creative ideas. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, please take care and be safe.